Okay, so in order for you to grow your account, you need to dedicate 1 hour per day to do this. It's not going to work if you post here and there. It's not going to work if you comment here and there. It's going to work only if you're consistent. And trust me, very quickly you start getting the followers. Once you have enough following, you don't have to be as consistent in terms of commenting, because even with a couple comments, you're going to get people in. Where the key elements going to be later on is actually for you to have a great content that's going to go viral and that's going to help you grow. So what is it that you need to do in order to grow your LinkedIn profile? Well, you need to comment on other people's posts. Now, what I've noticed is on LinkedIn, people tend to post their content at a certain time. So you kind of get an idea of when they're posting their content, and then you go in and actually comment on those posts. So be one of the first to comment, and you don't want to just put in, oh, what a great post, thank you so much for sharing. That's not going to get you anything, right? What you want to do is be very smart about it. You want to come across as someone who knows what they're talking about, right? So if your ideal clients are thinking about getting into ads and running ads to their business, and there is a post around that, like, you can talk about why this is not for everyone, what type of elements you need to have in place before you actually, set up your ads, things like that. Another thing is engage in conversations. When a comment is going viral, when, people are responding and commenting, be part of that conversation. If you can add in value, it's going to make you look really good. More people are going to come to you and follow you and reach out to you for advice. Another thing is LinkedIn is a network, basically network of people. So what you want to be doing is creating your own network. The reason I recommended Justin Welch's course is because as part of the bonus, I gave away a WhatsApp group for people to actually start implementing LinkedIn strategies and posting and, growing their accounts. So what we want to do is make sure that we have someone to hold us accountable to post every single day. If you haven't picked up his course, you have the link in the description. But, for this, you need to engage, you need to post, you need to comment, you need to do all of that in order for you to grow. But you have to commit 1 hour per day. Okay, let's go to the next.